Hi, it's Alan Zucker from Project Management Essentials. I've just published my latest article. It's part of my series on simple rules for high-performing teams, and here I'm doing a deep dive into my role of keeping it simple. So often there's things that we do, either wittingly or unwittingly, in terms of how we organize our teams, how we manage the work, that makes it difficult for us to become high-performing. So some of the things that we might think about: do we have the right people on the bus? Is the team the optimal size? Do we have a compensation system that fosters collaboration or one that fosters individual performance? Similarly, have we created a workspace that fosters collaboration? I hope you enjoyed the article. Let me know what you think and have a great day. Bye-bye.